By the way, greetings. Ang ganda po yung greeting. Elizabeth heard Mary's greeting. The baby stirred in the womb and leapt with joy. Greetings. Marunong ka ba mag-greet? May mga ibang tao, makasalubong mo, wala lang. Tititigan ka lang, parang wala ka. One of the most important, the most simple things in our life is to acknowledge a person. Tao. Yung mabati mo lang, magbow ka, ngumiti ka. Please don't be cold and indifferent to people. May I now see a beautiful greeting? Paano kayo mag-greet sa isa't isa? Yan. Kindat. Pilipino pa kindat-kindat lang. Oh, by the way, the Korean greeting. Annyeonghaseyo. Annyeonghaseyo. Nauna ko nadinig, sabi ko, ewan ko sa'yo. Beautiful greeting. Are you at peace? 3 days before Christmas. Are you at peace? Wala ka ba mga heartaches? Tampo, galit? Huwag na yan. Be at peace. And